morning. I'm L. Parneshri, M.Pharm.C, Department of Pharmaceutical Chemistry, and as a assistant professor I'm working in the Aditya Pharmacy College. And today I'm going to discuss about the phenols. The phenols are the derivatives of the benzene in which one ring atom hydrogen is replaced by the hydroxy group is directly attached to the benzene ring. The phenols are the, coming to that, phenols are the derivatives of the benzene. Phenols are the derivatives of the benzene in which the one ring, that is the benzene ring is, and in the benzene ring the hydrogen atom is replaced by the hydroxy group. The phenols are the derivatives of the benzene and in which the ring at the place of the, mainly at the place of the hydrogen atom is replaced by the hydroxy OH group, is replaced by the OH group, and those compounds are called as the phenols. And coming to the general molecular formula, coming to phenols general molecular formula, the generally it is denoted by the AROH. It is expressed by the AROH, where the AR is the phenyl or the substituted phenyl aryl group. Phenyl or the substituted phenyl aryl group. And coming to that, phenols are the aromatic. The phenols are aromatic in nature. That means as the phenol, it is having the hydroxy group. It is having the OH group. The OH group is the alcohol. OH group is the alcohol. But as it is attaching to the aromatic benzene. So the phenols are the aromatic and they are differ from the alcohols. They are differ from the alcohols both by the physical and chemical properties. As the phenols are the aromatic compounds, but they are differ from the alcohols by the physical and chemical properties. Next, coming to the structure of the OH. Coming to the structure, this is the structure of the phenols. Structure of the phenols. The phenol in this, the phenol is having the benzene ring and at the one hydrogen place the OH group is attached. So this is the phenol. And coming to the phenols are the acidic. Phenols are the acidic while alcohols are considered as neutrals. The phenols are the acidic in nature, but the alcohols are considering as the neutral. Because why we are discussing about the alcohol means this is the alcohol containing group. This is the alcohol. Here the alcohol is the OH is presenting. Here the OH is presenting. So due to the presence of the OH, we are comparing the phenols with the alcohols. So phenols are the acidic in nature, as the phenols are the acidic in nature. When comparing to the alcohols are the considered neutral. And coming to the physicochemical properties of the phenols. Physicochemical properties of the phenols, in that the simple phenols are liquids or low melting liquids. The simple phenols are the low melting liquids. And as the phenols are itself, it is a colorless crystalline low melting solids. Phenols are itself colorless crystalline low melting solids and moderately soluble in water. The phenols are colorless crystalline and they are moderately soluble in water. And because of the hydrogen bonding, because of the phenols are undergoing the hydrogen bonding, that means they are forming the hydrogen bonding. So these are having the quite high boiling points. That means due to the hydrogen bonding, the phenols are having the high boiling points. Phenols are having the high boiling points. Next, coming to the nomenclature. In the nomenclature, the simplest number of series is called the phenol. The simplest one is called as the phenol. The simplest naming of the compound is called as the phenol, and phenol derivatives are usually named as derivatives of the parent compound. The phenol derivatives, for the phenol is the parent compound, and from the parent compound remaining one are called as the phenol derivatives. And if the numerals are presenting, that means if two or more than two groups are presenting in the compound, then they are given as the naming as the by the numerals, and next coming to that, these three structures are examples for the numerals and for the examples for the phenol derivatives. Coming to that, first one here, this is the 3-chlorophenol. This is the 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, and this is the numbering, and here this is the first position. In the first position the alcohol group is presenting, so phenol OH, and this OH is attaching to the benzene ring, so that is the phenol. And at the second position and third position, by giving the name, at the third position the chlorine group is attached, so 3-chlorophenol. 3-chlorophenol is the name for this compound. And next coming to the next one, coming to this one, this is the 2-nitrophenol. This is the 2-nitrophenol. Here at the 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 and 6, this is the numbering for the compound, and at the first position it is having the OH group is attaching, that is it is the phenol group, and to that at the second position the nitro group is attaching. So the name of the compound according to the numerals, by representing with the numerals, it is the name for the compound is the 2-nitrophenol. And next coming to the next structure, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 and 6, and according to this structure, and at the first position it is having the OH group, and at the second position the methoxy group OCH3 is attaching, so the name of the compound is the 2-methoxyphenol, as it is having the OH group is directly attaching to the benzene ring, so this is the phenol, and to this at the second position the methoxy group is attaching, so completely this is the 2-methoxyphenol. Next coming to the certain phenols are known by the trivial names. According to the trivial names, like the use of the compound, according to the use of the compound, and these are the compounds, these are the trivial name compounds, for example. And coming to that, cresol, first one is cresol. Here 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, and here at the first position it is having the methyl group is presenting, and second position is the OH group is attaching directly to the phenol, so this is the phenol, but in the trivial name it is representing as the orthocresol, that means this is the ortho position, so this is the orthocresol. And next coming to the paracresol, in the para position, that means the at the para position this is the para position. At the para position the CH3 is, one side is the CH3 is attaching, and another side is the OH is directly attaching to the benzene ring, so paracresol. Next coming to the metacresol, this is the metacresol. In this metacresol, and this position is the meta, position, so at the meta position the CH3 is attached, and the OH group is directly attaching to the benzene ring, so metacresol. Next coming to the next one, picric acid. Next one is the picric acid. In this one the 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, wait, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 and 6, and here at the first position the hydroxy group is presenting, at the second position is the nitro group is presenting, and at the fourth position also nitro group is presenting, and sixth group is also nitro atom is presenting, NO2 atom is presenting, so the name is 2, 4, 6. 2, 4, 6. The nitrophenol. The IUPAC name for this compound is the 2,4,6 nitro trinitro 2,4,6 trinitrophenol. As the compound is directly attaching, the OH group is directly attaching to the benzene ring. So that is the phenol, and at the second position, and fourth position and sixth position, the nitro groups are presenting. That is the tri. 3 nitro groups are presenting. So the IUPAC name of this compound is the 2,4,6 trinitrophenol, and the picric acid, and the common name, the trivial name is the picric acid. Next, coming to the compounds having the more than 2 hydroxy groups on their ring also possess the common names. That means in the previous structures I have discussed the one phenols along with the another atom, phenols with the another group of atom which is attaching to the phenol. And coming to that, if the 2 hydroxy groups, the 2 or more hydroxy groups are presenting in the compound, what is the name? And coming to that first one, this is the catechol. In this 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, and at the first position and the second position, the hydroxy groups are presenting. So the IUPAC name is the 1, 2 dihydroxyphenol. Because 1, 2 dihydroxyphenol, because at the first position and the second position the OH groups are attaching, and is directly attaching to the benzene ring, so that is the phenol, and 2 hydroxy groups are having, so dihydroxy, and the common name is the catechol, and next coming to the next one, resorcinol. In the resorcinol, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, and by giving the numbering, first position the OH group is presenting, and third position the OH group is presenting. So the common name of this compound is the resorcinol, and the IUPAC name is 1, 3 dihydroxyphenol, and the IUPAC name is the 1, 3 dihydroxyphenol, and the common name is the resorcinol. And next coming to the another one, quinol. And in this quinol, the benzene ring, it is directly attaching with the 2 hydroxy groups. And the common name is the quinol, and this is the para 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Para 1, 4. Just wait. One, 4 para hydroxy phenol. 1, 4 para hydroxy phenol. The IUPAC name of this compound is the 1, 4 para hydroxy phenol, and the common name is the quinol. Next, coming to the next one, pyrogallol. Next one is the pyrogallol. In the pyrogallol, it is having the 3 hydroxy groups are presenting. Here the 3 hydroxy groups are presenting. So if the 3 hydroxy groups are attaching first, second, third position simultaneously at the 3 positions, that compound is called as the commonly named as the pyrogallol. and the IUPAC name 1, 2, 3 trihydroxyphenol. 1, 2, 3, 3 trihydroxyphenol. The IUPAC name is the 1, 2, 3 trihydroxyphenol and the common name is the pyrogallol. Next, coming to the another one, another compound also it is having the 3 hydroxy groups are presenting, and in that first 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 at the first position and the third position and fifth position the 3 hydroxy groups are attached to the compound. So the IUPAC name is the 1, 3, 5 trihydroxyphenol and the common name is the fluoroglucinol and the name of the compound is the 1, IUPAC name of the compound is the 1, 3, 5 trihydroxyphenol and the common name is the fluoroglucinol. Coming to that, phenols are the derivatives. And in which the one hydrogen group is replaced by the hydroxy group. Those compounds are called as the phenols, and generally the structural formula, the molecular formula or the molecular formula is represented by the AROH, and here the AR is the phenyl group, or the substituted phenyl or aryl groups are attaching. And coming to that, the phenols are the aromatic, because the phenol is containing the alcohol group, but it is directly attaching to the benzene ring. So the phenols are the aromatic. And the phenols are differ from the alcohols with the physical and chemical properties, And next, coming to the structure of the, this is the structure of the phenol. Here the hydrogen, one hydrogen atom is replaced by the hydroxy group, and this is the benzene ring. And this is called as the phenol. And next, coming to the phenols are the acidic in nature, and they are the alcohols are the, as it is having the alcohol group, the alcohol is the neutral, but it is attaching to the aromatic ring, so these are acidic in nature. The phenols are acidic in nature, as the alcohols are considered as neutrals. And coming to the physicochemical properties, the simple phenols are the liquids and low melting compounds, and the solids that means the phenols, generally the phenols itself, these are colorless, crystalline and low melting solids, and the phenols are moderately soluble in water. And due to the presence of the hydrogen bonding, that means that due to the formation of the hydrogen bonding in the phenols, they are having the high boiling points. Due to the hydrogen bonding is presenting in the phenols, so they are having the high boiling points. Next one, coming to that nomenclature, the simply the phenols are named as the phenols OH groups which are directly attaching to the aromatic group ring, those are named as the phenols. And the phenol derivatives are usually named as the derivatives of the parent compound. And the phenols are named according to the numerals. If the more than two groups are attaching to the phenols, or presenting in the phenol, those are named according to the numbering according to the numbering, naming according to the numbering on the ring which is presenting on the ring. Coming to that, first one is the chlorophenol. First one is the chlorophenol. These are the examples for the naming of the compound, naming of the phenols according to the numerals. First one is the 3-chlorophenol. At the third position the chloro group is presenting, so 3-chlorophenol. And next coming to the, at the second position the nitro group is attaching, so the nitrophenol. Here this is the chloro, other group or the other atom which is other than the, here the OH group, other than the OH groups which are presenting on the compound, that is the, here the chloro group is attaching, so 3-chlorophenol. Here the nitro group is attaching, so 2-nitrophenol. And here the another compound is presenting, that is the methoxy group. Methoxy group is attaching, so 2-methoxyphenol at the second position. At the second position the methoxy group is attaching, so methoxyphenol. Next coming to that, by the trivial names, and coming to that, first one example is the orthocresol, because this is the ortho position. At the ortho position the OH group is attaching, so orthocresol. And generally the cresol is having the CH3. The cresol is having the CH3 OH. The main groups are presenting in the cresol is the CH3 group and alcohol OH group. The hydroxy group is presenting and the CH3 group is attaching, it is directly attached to the benzene ring, that is called as the cresol. If the presence of the, based on the presence or the attachment of the hydroxy group to that benzene ring, the name will be named, the compound will be named as the orthocresol, ortho, para, meta. And coming to that first example, here the ortho position, at the ortho position the hydroxy group is presenting, so orthocresol. And in the second example, in this one, the para position, at the para position the hydroxy group is attaching, so that is the paracresol, so paracresol. And coming to that third one, here at the first position and the third position the methyl group and the hydroxy groups are presenting, so this is the meta position. According to the para or the meta we can name the compound, so this is the metacresol. And next coming to the another one, here the picric acid, this is the compound name. This compound name is the picric acid, that is the trivial name. And by giving the IUPAC name, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 and 6. At the first position the alcohol group is present, that is the OH group is attaching, and the second position nitro group is attaching, at the fourth position the nitro group attaching, and the sixth position is also nitro group is attaching. 1, 2, 4, 2, 4, 6, the nitro group is attaching, so the IUPAC name is the 246 trinitrophenol, and the common name and the trivial name of this compound is the picric acid. Next coming to the common names, if the two or more hydroxy groups are attaching, and what will be the names of the compound. Coming to that first one, examples, these are the examples. Coming to that first one is the catechol, here the two hydroxy groups are presenting. And coming to the second example, here the two hydroxy groups are presenting but the position is different. Here the parallelly, alternatively first and second one, at the first position and second position the hydroxy groups are attaching, and in the resorcinol first position and the third position it is having the hydroxy groups, so resorcinol. And coming to the quinol, here the quinol, in the quinol also at the first position and the fourth position two hydroxy groups are attaching but the position is different. And next coming to the pyrogalol. In the pyrogalol, at the first, second, third. Here in the pyrogallol, at the same time the fluoroglucinol, the 3 hydroxy groups are attaching. 3 hydroxy groups are attaching. At the first position 1 hydroxy group, and second position another hydroxy group, and at the third position another hydroxy groups are attaching. So the common name is the pyrogallol, and the IUPAC name is the 1,2,3 trihydroxyphenol. 1,2,3 trihydroxyphenol, and the common name is the pyrogallol. And next, coming to the next compound, here the 3 hydroxy groups are attaching, but in a different position. At the first position 1 hydroxy group is presenting, at the third position is another hydroxy group is presenting, at the fifth position also another hydroxy group is presenting. So coming to that, IUPAC name 1,3,5 trihydroxyphenol, and the compound name is the fluoroglucinol.